Hello, welcome to today's class. This would be our third class on number systems. In the last class, we talked about performing counting in binary, and we saw that using only one bit, we can represent two different numbers, 0 and 1. So we can say that when we use only one bit, the largest number we can represent is 1, and the range of numbers we can represent is 0, from 0 up to 1. And when we say number, we are talking about unsigned numbers here. And now when we increase the number of bits to 2, we can represent 4 different numbers, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and the 4 numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, the decimal numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and hence we can say that using 2 bits, the largest number we can represent is 3, and the range of numbers we can represent is from 0 up to 3. Similarly, when we add 3 bits, we can represent 8 different numbers now, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 8 different numbers from 0 up to 7. And again we can say that when we use 3 bits, we can represent the range of numbers from 0 up to 7, the range of unsigned numbers 0 up to 7, and the largest number we can represent is 7. And similarly, if we use 4 bits, we can represent 16 different numbers, the numbers from 0 up to 15, and hence we can say that when we use 4 bits, we can represent numbers from 0 up to 15, and the largest number is 15. To write the same thing, so when the number of bits is 1, the largest number is 1, and the range of unsigned numbers is from 0 up to 1. And now 1, I can write it as 2 to the power 1 minus 1. And similarly, the range I can write as 0 to 2 to the power 1 minus 1. We also saw that when we have 2 bits, the largest number we can represent is 3, and the range is 0 up to 3, and 3 we can now write it as 2 to the power 2 minus 1, and hence the range is also 0 to 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Similarly, for 3, the largest number was 7, and 7 we can write as 2 to the power 3 minus 1, and the range is 0 up to 2 to the power 3 minus 1. When the number of bits is 4, the largest number is 15, and 15 we can write as 2 to the power 4 minus 1, and the range hence is 0 up to 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Now the question is, if I have 5 bits, what will be the largest number I can represent, and what will be the range of unsigned numbers that I can represent using 5 bits? Or to generalize, using n bits, what is the largest unsigned number I can represent, and what is the range of the unsigned numbers? To answer these questions, you would see that we have a pattern here. So when the number of bits is 1, it is 2 to the power 1. When it is 2, it is 2 to the power 2. When it is 3, it is 2 to the power 3. And when it is 4, it is 2 to the power 4. Hence, when it is n, it would be 2 to the power n minus 1, and the range would be 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. And what that means is, when we have 5 bits, I'll be able to represent the largest unsigned number that we will be able to represent is 2 to the power 5 minus 1, which happens to be 31. and hence the range will also be from 0 up to 31. What we saw here is actually something analogous to what we see in decimal number system also. In decimal number system, when we have only one digit, we can represent 10 different numbers, 10 to the power 1. And the largest number that we can represent will be 9. When we have two digits, in decimal number system we can represent 100 different numbers, that is 10 to the power 2, the largest being 99, and the range will be from 0 up to 99. And when we have three digits, we can represent 1000 different numbers, that's 10 to the power 3, and the largest being 999, and the range would be from 0 up to 999, and so on. So what we saw for binary number system is not something different from decimal. Only thing is, in decimal number system we have the base 10, and in binary number system we have the base 2. So here the largest number comes when all the digits are 9, and similarly for binary numbers, if I go back, the largest number will happen when all the bits are equal to 1. So when I have only one bit, the largest number is 1. When I have two bits, the largest number is 1 1. Both the bits are 1. So when both the bits are 1, then we'll have the largest number. Similarly, when we have 3 bits, the largest number will happen when all the 3 bits are 1. So 1 1 1, that's equal to 7. And similarly for 4 bits, the largest number will occur when all the 4 bits are 1 1 1 1 1, and so on. So that's all I have for today's class. I'd like to end here. See you in the next class. Bye.